Hello everyone, so if you want to verify if your Xiaomi Redmi A3 is genuine, so we'll use a few simple methods to check. So first of all is to check your IMEI and serial number via your phone app. So open up your phone app, now locate your dialer and open up your dialer. Now we're to enter a secret code, *#06#. And here they are, your IMEI, your IMEI2, ICCD2, serial number, and so on and so on. So copy your IMEI, we will need this later. Press OK. So you can compare those numbers with the ones on your box, and if they match, it's a good sign. Alright, the next thing, how we can check our IMEIs and serial numbers, it's directly through the settings. So open up your settings. Scroll down to your About Phone tab. In here, you're to scroll down to your IMEI. So here's your IMEI1, your IMEI2, model number, and so on and so on. Build number, everything what you need. Alright, so as we've checked everything up, let's check it on Xiaomi's official website. So open up your Chrome or any kind of browser which you are using, and now we're to Google Xiaomi verification. Alright, here's our Xiaomi Verify. So now press accept all, find your product authentication, and now enter your IMEI code. So you can type it, or I copied it so it would be easier for me to enter. Let's enter it, and now we need to enter verification code, which is here. So it is W9 and press verify. And congratulations, we can be assured that our phone is the official international version. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.